Can we start? Yes. Can you see slide? Audio? Yeah. Everything fine? Abhinav? Yes, okay, we will start. I want to give a recap of previous class. Since today we are going to do problems based on the previous topic, sampling distribution. You should recollect it. We have seen population is a big number, sample is a small number. Actually, last class, Bharatwaj, I am thinking some boy has asked, I am not remembering the name, about 30, number 30. Actually, when they had taken for 20 enough data, enough information they are not getting, so they have that is why. So they have kept we will be telling a deadline, like that we will be keeping a number they have kept below 30 and some number 30 and above 30. That is special reason is not there for that. Okay, anyway, already they have decided, so we will continue with that. That is what I remembered Raghavendra, but name, so the big name, that is why I could not recollect it. Okay, all right, good. Now I will not forget. So now I am coming to the point. An infinite population, that means with replacement. Finite population means without replacement. It is clear? Infinite population means with replacement, finite population without replacement. Sampling distribution definition, the probability distribution of the statistic. Two names we have learned, statistic and parameter. Measures based on the measures based on the population is known as the parameters. Measures based on the sample is known as statistic. Usually we will be taking two statistics for analyzing the population, that is mean and variance. X bar is the mean and variance is S square we will be considering for the sample. Population means mean is mu and variance is sigma square. And we have seen the mean of the sample, infinite population, the sampling is done with replacement, then the mean of the sample and mean of the population both are same, which is equal to mu. While doing the problem, I will be showing it again. And variance, we have seen that sigma square by n. Sigma square by n. Formula already yesterday you have noted. Otherwise, again when we do the problem, I will be doing it. Okay. And for the finite population, we have seen when the sampling distribution is done, without replacement, the mean of the population and mean of the sample will be the same, mu, and variance of the sample is equal to sigma square by n into capital N minus n by capital N minus 1. I am showing the problems, yes, so you can recollect it. So these are the things which we also, the correction, population correction factor we have seen as n minus n by n minus 1. And one more point you have seen, standard error. Standard deviation of the sampling distribution of statistic is known as the standard error, which is equal to sigma by root n. These are the formula we have seen in the last class. Now I am coming into problem. With each problem, I have written again the formula so you can see that. Okay, let me come to the problem. First problem. Yes. Find the value of finite population correction factor for n equal to 10 and capital N is equal to 1000. Population correction factor formula you are knowing. So directly you are able to calculate it. You are getting it. Population correction factor n minus n by n minus 1. So n is the population size. Small letter n is the sample size. So we are getting the answer as 0.991. Finite population correction factor. Finite population correction factor. Infinite population, that such thing is not there. Yes, you can note down and you can do it. It is a multiple choice problem. As or you will be getting mark question like that only you will be getting from that. This is the easiest problem from this chapter. That is the shortest one also. Next slide. Can I take the next problem? No. Okay. No. Tejaswini is there. Yes. Yes, yeah. Who is the other CR? CSEF? Yeah, Nandika has done. Tejaswini, who is the next CR? One more CR will be there in your class. Who is that? Kailash. Kailash is present there. Okay, we will take next problem. I am not seeing so many other people. Yes, those who are answering today, no one is answering. Yes, Saima. Rohan, you are there. Saima is there. Saima, you are ITB only, is it Saima? Yes, okay. Yes, I will go to the next problem. Take it. Next problem. Yes. The variance of the population is 2. Where you should read always population or sample I am mentioning, you should see. The variance of the population is 2. Variance of the population is denoted by sigma square. Variance of the sample is denoted by a square. The size of the sample collected from the population is 169. We are collecting a sample from the population. That size is 169. What is the standard error of mean? Standard error means standard deviation of the sampling distribution of statistic. In the last class I have given the formula sigma by root 10. So we can directly substitute. Variance is 2. So sigma is root 2 and the sample size is 169. Sample size is 169. Standard deviation is root 2. Standard error of mean is given by the formula. That I told you we will be having only one standard error only we will be mentioning. We are not having two formula. So don't worry about it. Standard error, they are asking sigma by root 10. We are not knowing anything about the population, but they are asking about the standard error. Standard error is based on the infinite population only will be coming. That is what. Okay. And I have not given two different formula, Rohan. So keep we are not thinking, we are not bothered about finite or infinite. It is definitely for the infinite only. Okay, Rohan. Okay. We are having for finite population, infinite population, mean is there, variance is there, but standard error only one formula I have given. 0.108. I made a mistake. Calculation mistake is there. Okay, okay. I will cut off it. Okay. 0.108. Pavani is telling. Yes, is it correct? Can I cut it? Anyone else? Yes. Okay. And not that actually them not having another instrument and with mouse it is not so comfortable for me. That is why I am not changing it. I have cut it. I am telling the answer 0.108. I told any problem is there, you can contact me directly. Yes. I don't want to waste the time like that. More answers and more doubts I can clear during that time. Yeah, so 0.108 is the answer. Those who are writing down, they can check with us how she has told the answer first, Pavani, like that. So many other students are also agreeing with her. Answer is 0.108. Yes. Seven students answered. I am having around 400 students should do the problem at least. If I am going to a separate section, means I will get minimum 10 students from each section. Actually, when I was teaching CSE, 15 students at a time they were answering. Like that, each session comes, it will be how much? Yes, 150 students should answer, is it? Minimum. 9 sections means. Like that, they are not responding or not, you are doing it or not. I am not able to understand. You can, it is just yes or it is more than enough, I can understand it. Can I move to the next slide? Okay. Magna, I will wait, that is what. No problem. Possible, otherwise it is not possible. Jai Shankar, I am seeing. Otherwise itself we are getting so many spam calls and all. So no problem. Ma'am, I did not say to wait. We are doing. Okay. Then I can go for the next slide. Okay. Yes. Magna. Okay, good. I have taken the next problem. This is a different problem. Who is going to do it? Let me see. Here it is not there in the same slide. A random, you should read one by one word. A random sample of size 100 is taken from an infinite population having mean 76 and variance 256. What is the probability that X bar will be between 75 and 78? Rohan, I don't want Devi. Answer should be done. After that only I want answer. The answer, you should do it. After that only I want answer. Let by step I will tell to all of you. You don't worry. But as first I have to check who can do it. What is the procedure and how to do it? Last class I have mentioned one point. which topic we are studying? Yeah, very good, Soumya. Central limit theorem. Yes. Soumya, central limit theorem. Yes. Central limit theorem I have taught you last class. Yes. Rohan, good. Yes. Now I am appreciating you. Yes. Definitely. Yes. Now, whether you might have done it or not in advance, I don't know, but Rohan, that is why I don't. Okay, it is very good. That listen, all of you. Here, earlier problems, normal distribution we were studying. In that, the word sample or population never came. In that chapter, question is coming from the sampling distribution. It is very clear. When we take the sampling distribution, the new variables that should be x minus mu by sigma by root 10. Sigma by root 10. How Rohan has written, how Soumya has responded, like that from the central limit theorem, we should take that substitution and we should proceed how we have done the problem in the previous chapter. Okay, let me show that. By the time, if you have completed, you got the idea, you can continue. I see 100. Mean of the population. Mean of the population is denoted by mu. Variance. We could understand that the problem is coming from the sampling distribution. We are okay. Okay. I will check it. Wait. Rohan, your voice is breaking. I did not do anything. I should stop and I should adjust. Okay, don't worry, Okay, I will do it. It is clear, Dinesh is telling that is why. What about others? One more minute, since I don't want to change and more double. Clear, some are having clear. Okay, then I will continue. It may become all right. I am thinking students overlapping. Okay. Then I will stop sharing and I will do it. How is it? No audio. Now? Now it is there? Now can you hear me? Yes. Okay, now it is working, I think. Yes. Okay. All right, okay, okay. Now answer I want like this. Tell me. What is the answer? 0.1953. Yes. Soumya. Yes. Anyone else? I will show the slide. Those who want help means you see the slide and do it. This is the first clue I am giving. Now according to the previous chapter, you can do it. You should try. Enough time is there for us. Those who want help, have you noted this slide? Can I move to the next slide? How to find out when the value is between 75 and 78? Yes, Rohan, but you wait. Again, the doubt finite or infinite problem is not happening. You see, in this question, they are not at all worried. We no need to worry about finite or infinite. Your question is correct only. The Smiya sense, I am teaching about finite and infinite. That type of problems are coming. Then we will see that in this they are asking what is the area only. Probably they are asking. They are not asking about the mean or variance. So no problem at all. Okay. Question is good. Earlier also, they were asking about whether finite or infinite when I was telling about the standard error. That there also you no need to think about finite or infinite. Now questions are coming one after the other. Okay, I'm doing alone. Yes. So X bar is 75. They are asking the probability between 75 according to central limit theorem, X bar minus mu by sigma by root 10. Sigma 256 is the variance, so standard deviation sigma is 16.625 is the first value. That means when X bar is 75, X bar is 78. Yes, okay, you can take it. Point minus sign is not there. Minus sign will come, Rohan. Is it? Okay, okay, I will. Anyway, let them see the slide. I will adjust. Wait. Okay, Rohan, final answer. Okay. I will adjust the mic once. Now you can hear or not? Yes, enough. Okay, I am moving to slide. Now you less than or equal to X bar less than or equal to 78 is coming minus 0.625 less than or equal to Z less than or equal to 1.25. Yes. We have already learned how to find out the area. Those who want help, write down. Here you are from CSCC. Hello? Can I move the slide? Can I move the slide? Those who want, should I wait means you should tell. Yes, I will. So area from 0 to minus 0.625, that means you take your normal distribution table 0 to 0.625 and 0 to 1.25. Sravant, in this question there is no problem of using sigma by root n. Why? They are asking only the problem based on the probability. They did not ask you about find out the mean of the sampling distribution of mean of the variance of the sampling distribution of variance. If they are asking that type of problem, I am going to take. Then you can understand where you should use infinite, where you should use finite. Step by step only I am doing. Is it clear, Sravan? Those who are having doubt about infinite and finite, just forget about it at present. When the problem comes, I will specify and tell, and I will show you, you have to remember it. Is it clear? Okay. All right. Answer is approximately 0.62. Okay, 8. Okay, okay. All right. 6268. Okay, all right. I am waiting for all of you. All of you complete. Ask. All the should take 0.625. We should take Rohan 0.625. Should we take 0.62 or 0.63? Not a problem. All right. 63 or 62, we will give mark to you. Yes, mark is most important, is it? All right. When we study numerical analysis, that means we will be corrected to 6 decimal places, 2 decimal places, like that it will be coming. That time we will consider that. All right. Okay. We will move. G section David Rohan. Can I move? F section Tejaswi Nash. Can I move? Yes or no? Any one of you are there? Tejaswini, you are present always. Good guy. Next problem is coming. Yes? Next problem. You read. Yes. Here the question of finite or infinite. Finite or infinite is coming in this problem. All your doubts will be clearing here. consists of 5 numbers. You don't worry about whether it is a small population or not. We are studying only 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. Consider all possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn with replacement infinite. Yes, correct. Yes, good. With replacement from this population. Here the question comes. Find the mean of the population, find the standard deviation of the population, the mean of the let it observe us, the mean of the sampling distribution of means, the standard deviation of means. Here the question is 10-mark question. Where I will keep? Okay, let it here. Okay. See, I will start doing, I will explain. A population consists of 5 numbers. What is our population? Question one by one you should answer. What is our population here? Number is 5 only. Number is 5, but it is not finite, Saumya. We are taking it and putting it back. Understand? With replacement sample, population is finite, correct? But when we take the sample of size, understood. So if we are keeping it aside, means it will become finite. We will have 2 I took out, the next 4 only will be there. Here 5 are there, so it is becoming infinite. So the mean of the population, mean of the okay. Okay. I will adjust. Vishnudeep, you are from CSE D. Yes. I am repeating. The population is 2, 3, 6, 8 and 11. When you see, it is only 5 numbers. But you see the sample, consider all possible samples of size 2 that can be drawn with replacement. With replacement, we have learned it as infinite population we should consider. Infinite, when I tell you, you are having a feeling that actually we cannot count it. You don't go for it. Actually, our number is very small. That when I go for the sample, you can see that the number, how much it is increasing. Because of the 5 numbers, we will be able to see always it will be only. Can you hear? Can you hear? Those who are answering, they are doing the problem. That is why. No. Vishnudeep, again my voice is breaking so bad. How is it now? How is it now? It. Now no breaking. You are thinking. I'm not breaking my voice. Nantika, my voice is breaking, such a bad voice. Clear. It is clear. Very good, 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 good. Okay. Okay? All right. And I will show the slide. So the mean of the population we are finding. Any more doubt means you write in chat box. I will see again. Okay. Mean of the population is 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 11 divided by 5. We will see the answer for mean of the population. Those who have not done. Well, Dinesh answer is correct. Sahitya answer is correct. Yes. Mean of the population is denoted by mu. We will add all numbers and divide it by the number of observations. We are getting 6. Yes. Good. Yes. Good, good. Now you go for variance. We have taught you xi minus x bar whole square by n minus 1. So for you, are you remembering for the sample? For the variance sigma xi population, sorry, this is the population variance, sorry, population variance sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. What is the answer you got is correct? Population variance, standard deviation 3.29, correct Dinesh? Yes, population variance sigma xi minus x bar whole square by n. xi values 2, 3, 6, 8, 11. Mean of sample of the sample will be the same. That is why here it is x bar is acting as mu. X bar is acting as. So we are writing 6. You are having a doubt, you tell me, Pavani. Tell me. Tell Pavani. What is your doubt? You are not writing means I will. Ma'am, in this question they gave that the number of samples are 2. No, don't get confused. Here are so many things I have to tell. Yes, you good question, Pavani. Yes. Since I could have used capital letter N, then you would not have missed. Here I am written variance of the population. Population means this xi is acting as the population values. This x bar is acting as the population variance. This n is acting as the number of observations of the population. Now it is clear for all of you. Your question helped others also, Pavini. Xi minus x bar. Xi is here. Xi means 2, 3, 6, 8, 11 which have come in the population, and x bar is the mean of the population here. Variance of the population we are finding. We are not finding variance of the sample. That we will do it in the next slide. Is it clear, Pavani? All others, don't get confused. Yes or no, Pavani? Yes. Those standard, next slide I will show you sample. So variance we got and standard deviation is positive square root. Mu we can use. Yes, okay, no problem. Okay, mu you can use. Mu bar also. Okay. Yes, thank you for the help. Yes. Yes, you can use. That way it is not written in any of the textbooks. That is the problem. We are using this itself. Okay, all right. For your convenience.
But madam, population mean we use mu, madam. X bar is sample mean.
Okay, mu bar we can use, sir. Okay, thank you.
Mu is population mean. X bar is sample mean.
Okay. So mu minus mu bar by capital N we should write.
Minus mu whole square by
I have not seen in any of the books. Okay, no problem. We will use that. I have not seen in any of the book which I have referred. That is the reason I have given it like that. Students, you can write mu minus mu bar by capital letter N even though you are not seeing it in the textbook. Okay, all right.
No, not mu minus.
Convenience. Yes, Rohan. Xi minus mu. You're right. Okay, all right. Good. Xi minus mu. Yes. Capital letter N also we can use, is it? What do you say? Rohan. Then it will be easy for you, is it? Okay? You can write it as? Okay. I will correct it and send it to you. It is not so easy for me, I told you. Okay. Okay, all right. So Xi minus mu by capital letter N you can write. All right. Yeah. Then standard deviation we got. Next we are going for sample we are going. Yes. Sample with replacement infinite population. That is why we are getting the total number of the sample with replacement is n power n. The total number of sample with replacement is the formula n power n. N is the capital letter N. N is the capital the population, and small letter n is the sample size. So we are getting 25 items you are getting. You can see 2 with 2. We are not replacing it back. 2 with 3, 2 with 6, 2, 8, 2, 11. Sample size is 2. And 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 6, 3, 8, 3, 11. Yes. 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 6, 6, 8, 6, 11. 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 11. 11.2, 11.3, 11.6, 11.8, 11.11. This is the sample, 25 samples of size 2 we got. 25 samples of size 2 which we got. Yes. You can continue doing. Yes. Have you noted the sample? Now you find the mean of the sample. How you will find the mean of the sample? Yes, can you show the question once? Yes, yes. Those who could understand this sample, you can go for it. Question I will show. I am taking the sample size only. Okay. Sample which we have calculated. To the next slide. I will finish this problem. Okay. N power n, the sampling with replacement. Sampling with replacement is n power n. Any question you get, you will be getting this many number n power n is the population and is the sample size. Yes, I am moving, so no one is stopping me. I am moving. Yes, I move. Can I move? We have already discussed about the sampling distribution, the probability distribution statistic we have told. So based on these 25 samples, we will be going for it. Okay, I can move that slide. That is now calculation is there. Now, I can tell you this sample mean which I have calculated 2 plus 2 divided by 2. The mean means sum divided by the number of observations. 2 plus 3 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 2 plus 8 divided by 2. Like that, all sample mean I have calculated. Check it, values are correct or not. You have written means you can see that. Is it correct? Are you hearing? Are you doing? Suhas, are you there? Sanjana, are you there? Suhas, Sanjana, are you there? Both of you are not there? Okay, good. E section. Chat box is there. You cannot see. Chat box is there. I will write something. Previous slide. Previous slide actually I have not done any problem. You would see only this value. From that you can find out the mean. Mean you can find out. That is enough, Surya Teja. Anyway, I will be saying sending all slides to you, all PDFs to you. So you calculation you do as this value you see. Next we are going for mean of the samples of mean. That means we are finding out the mean of all that means which we have found out. We know all that samples which we have found out. So when we add, we are getting all these divided by total number of observations, 25. Yes, last slide only. Yes, Sujit Reddy, now you came into picture. Yes. Never you gave an answer. Mu x bar is equal to mu. We are seeing that mean of the population and mean of the sample both are coinciding. Yes. Mean of the population and mean of the sample are both are same. Yes, one more slide only. Yes. Finite population involving sampling with replacement. Sampling with replacement. So we are getting sampling with replacement. So we are getting sigma square by n. We are getting already, we have seen the variance of the population. N is the sample size. So we could calculate it is 2.32. Sigma square here you are seeing, see, finite population but with replacement, that is why we are using the formula sigma square by n. Yes, I am stopping. Yes, all of you. Any more doubts means if make it fast. Okay, all right, okay. Yes.